In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, I quote, "Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will," I unquote. Honored dignitaries and ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant afternoon to one and all present here. I am Mehak Chauhan from Shimla, the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, Devabhoomi as it is known. Today, I stand before you all to present my views on the topic Heroes of the Nation. India has come a long way as a civilization and that because of the immense sacrifices and contribution of a number of exemplary individuals. We all have heard of Rani Lakshmibai, haven't we? Whenever we talk about strength, courage and patriotism, one name shines like a star in the Indian history. Manikarnika, the heartbeat of India's first war of independence, grew up not with toys but with weapons, not with fear but with eyes blazing with courage. She was not just a queen, she was a symbol of resistance, of the undying spirit of freedom. Destiny crowned her as the Queen of Jhansi, but her life took a devastating turn as soon as she loses her husband. The British thought that Jhansi would be an easy prey now, but they did not know that she was not a queen who would surrender with tears in her eyes. She stood up in her royal court, her eyes blazing with courage, and thundered words, "Main Jhansi nahi dungi," that shook the whole empire. Her voice was not just a refusal, it was a roar of defiance. From that day, she was known as a queen and a symbol of resistance for the whole nation. Then came the year 1857, the first war of independence. She was not sitting behind palace walls, she was on a horseback, her sword shining underneath the sun and her infant tied securely to her back. Can you just take a minute and picture that moment in your mind? A mother carrying her child, yet charging into battlefield like a storm. खून से लथपथ जमीन पर भी उसकी आंखों में ज्वाला थी. She kept swinging her sword until her last breath. But remember, वीर कभी मरते नहीं, उनकी गाथाएं तो अमर हो जाती है. Even today, her name's fire can ignite our entire nation. On 18th June 1858, she fought her last battle. Surrounded by enemies, wounded yet unyielding, she kept swinging her sword until her last breath. वो एक ऐसी रानी थी जिसने अपने आंसुओं को ढाल बनाया और अपने साहस को हथियार. She was fearless like a lioness, graceful like a queen, and loving like a mother. Even today, her name is written in golden letters because she proved that true power does not lie in crowns and thrones. They lie in true character, patriotism, and courage. She was a queen who proved that fear in ourselves cannot bury courage within ourselves. And today, as we remember her, let us carry the courage within ourselves. She is an inspiration for our future, and even after our death, मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज सुनाई देनी चाहिए, भारत माता की जय. She lives on, she inspires on. She will forever be the queen of every Indian heart. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.